Hello, Jim. Tech Buzz, new product in from Creative, and it's this Super X-Fi X-Fi amp, which will really enhance your listening experience to whatever headphones or earbuds you might have. And these really are a superb piece of kits. So that's what it looks like there. I'm going to show you anyway, just showing you the box. This is what it looks like. So Super X-Fi recreates the listening experience of a multi-speaker system with the same expensive soundstage in your headphones. So how would you put this in simple terms for you? It's like basically having speakers around you or in front of you, depending on what you're listening to. It's for Android phones mostly, but you can do a workaround for iOS, but it's very awkward to do. But imagine your normal pair of headphones, put this on, and it uses headphone holography. So you'll do a scan of your ears and your face on the app, which we've done before with Creative Stuff. And it basically puts you in center. And depending on what way you're listening to music or settings you have on it, it's like having speakers all around you or in front of you. It's really, really cool. So that's basically to put it simply for you. Keep it simple as we do here, but it's excellent. If you've not tried some of Creative's headphones already, they have got the Super X-Fi app. And that kind of does it for you, but this is just a new little kit here to have, a DAC. And it just does that for any headphones, so you can just plug them in. There's a full list there, and that's not there. You can use a similar pair of headphones, or there's an option for other in the app. So this is it here in the box, and how small it is. It's really cool. So you got up and down your holography button up here, and you have a button in the middle. USB-C port on the bottom, headphone jack up on the top. It's got this nice metal finish on the edges as well, and looks really neat. And that's all there is really to it, as you can see. So open up and we get some more goods inside. Now you get your quick start guide, you get your USB-C to USB-C, and of course an adapter should you require one. So this is for micro USB. So if you have any problems there, you have this adapter in the box, which is very, very handy to have. So that's good to see. Everything is included. So I'm just going to pop all them back in where they belong. And then we're going to go and get testing. So stay tuned for more after. Hello, and it's Jim back with the Super X-Fi amp from Creative. And we are using these now. I'm just going to click, don't start switching that off there. So, we've been testing these in the headphones. These are already a fantastic pair of headphones, but using this app and this product enhances things even better. Now, Skullcandy is listed on it there, as you can see. And basically, you have your holographic button on and off here. So you're going to have to map them. Every time you do a pair of headphones or swap, you have to map. They'll be stored in your profile in the app. So you take a picture of the front of your face, your left ear, your right ear. And that kind of gives it a model of your surroundings then. It's really excellent how it works. Really cool. Some other earbuds have implemented that kind of trick as well, but I believe Creative were the first to bring it on board. So back out of this, we're going to go here. You have got a customization EQ as well. So you can see the crusher is still connected up here up top, which is fantastic. So basically you can drag these lines up and down like this. If you like, it's up to yourself, or you can change it from here on the bottom. Now, you can see here, you can turn on and off the app here, like so. And that's how it works. Simple as that. And you can use this for your controls. So if I go into the music, play and pause is a simple tap. Skip a track, double tap. Reverse track, triple tap. All works like that there. Simple as that. Can't get any easier for that to work or be implemented. So basically this just puts you like in a cinema kind of environment. Like speakers in front of you. Depending on what you're listening to and what kind of tools you're using. If you're using headphones or if you're using your gaming. The environment can change them on how they sound on your head. Being forward or backwards, not in centre. But most experiences, it's all forward. With this, it's like speakers in front of you and around the sides. It's really cool. And if you've got a good pair of headphones on you, it's like being slap bang in the middle of a cinema, more or less. using this. A good pair of headphones and this, and you're simply just giving yourself an immersive experience using this little guy here. Can't highly recommend it enough. If you don't have one and you like your audio, this is something you should need in your kit. Now, they are pretty expensive. By some people might think they're around €150, but you know, if you into your audio, it's a small piece of kit you can bring anywhere with you, plug it into almost anything, and job is done. You enhance the experience and get more of an immersive feel out of it altogether. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Talk to you then.